A major political conversation has emerged in Abia State and across Nigeria after former Abia State Governor and Senator representing Abia North, Orji Kalu, made a notable statement about Governor Alex Otti's chances of securing another term in office. The comment has attracted attention because Kalu, a senior figure in the All Progressive Congress, acknowledged the strength and popularity of a governor who is not a member of his party. While defending President Bola Tinubu's chances ahead of the 2027 presidential election, Kalu was asked whether the growing opposition movement and possible political alliances should worry about the ruling APC. The senator admitted that the political coalition could have some impact, but insisted that the APC remains strong enough to retain power at the national level.
I said all these people are not straight. If they have been together, there will be problem.
So you think that the coalition is what should give you sleepless night?
Yeah, it will give us a little, but not too much.
If President Tinubu...
No, I'm not having sleepless night.
If the President Tinubu loses the election in 2027, what would you say?
I will say congratulations to whoever wins, but President Tinubu can never lose the election.
Can never?
No, no, I'm not God, because
so why are you saying that
he has done so well. And our party, widespread party people will not allow him to lose the election. They are going to campaign until we win.
According to Kalu, President Tinubu cannot lose the 2027 presidential election because of the strength of the APC structure and the support base of the party across Nigeria. He said party members would work hard during the election campaign to ensure victory for the president. However, the discussion moved to Abia State, where Kalu previously served as a governor. The senator gave a surprising response about the current governor, Alex Otti. When asked directly whether Alex Otti could win another term as governor of Abia State, Kalu responded positively.
Why are you hiding under one thing? I'm asking you, Senator, can Tinubu win in your Abia State?
Sure.
With Alex Otti on the seat?
Yes.
And his popularity?
Yes.
Do you see Alex Otti returning?
Yes.
Alex Otti will win the governorship?
Yes.
But your party will win the presidency?
Yes.
Are you in alliance with Alex Otti?
No.
Is he working with your party?
No.
The statement immediately generated reactions because Otti is not a member of the APC and defeated the People's Democratic Party candidates in the 2023 governorship election under the platform of the Labour Party. Kalu acknowledged Otti's popularity in Abia State and suggested that the governor remains politically strong ahead of the next election. The former governor, however, avoided criticizing Otti, explaining that he had a personal relationship with the Abia governor. He described Otti as someone he respects and said he will not speak negatively about him publicly.
No, I don't want to talk issue of Otti because Otti is a brother to me and my banker. So I'm not sure we are going to be talking about that here. Anything I want to tell Otti, I tell him inside the room.
Kalu explained that the political disagreement should not destroy personal relationships. The senator's comments highlight the complicated political landscape in Abia State ahead of the 2027 election. Although Kalu supports the APC and believes Tinubu will win another presidential term, he recognized the influence and popularity of Alex Otti within the state. Since taking office in 2023, Governor Alex Otti has presented his administration as focused on improving infrastructure, governance, and public services in Abia State. His supporters argue that his administration has introduced reforms aimed at changing the direction of the state after years of political challenges. However, critics of the governor have questioned some of his policies and argue that the residents are still waiting for more improvements in several areas. As the 2027 election approaches, political analysts believe Abia State will remain an important battleground because of its changing political dynamics. The state has historically been influenced by major political parties But the 2023 election showed the voters could support alternative political movements when they believe change is needed. Alex Otti's victory under the Labour Party platform was considered a significant political shift in the state. His administration's performance and popularity will likely become major factors as political parties prepare for the next governorship election. Meanwhile, the APC is expected to continue strengthening its presence in Abia and other states as it prepares for future elections. Orji Kalu's comments also come at a time when political parties across Nigeria are already positioning themselves ahead of the 2027. The ruling APC is defending its record in government, while opposition parties are exploring possible alliances to challenge its dominance. The possibility of an opposition coalition has become a major topic in Nigerian politics, with several politicians suggesting that unity among opposition groups could create a stronger challenge against the ruling party. However, APC leaders have maintained that the party has the structure, experience, and national support required to win elections. Kalu's confidence in Tinubu's chances reflect the position of many APC leaders who believe the party remains popular despite criticism over economic challenges and insecurity. At the same time, his recognition of Alex Otti's popularity demonstrates that political realities at the state level can be different from national politics. A politician can face competition from another party locally while still supporting their party's candidates nationally. This situation is likely to make Abia one of the states to watch as preparations for the 2027 election increase. The key question will be whether Alex Otti can maintain his popularity among Abia residents, whether opposition parties can build stronger structures, and whether the APC can expand its influence in the state. For now, Orji Kalu's comments have added another dimension to the political conversation. His statement that Alex Otti can win another term has been interpreted by some observers as an acknowledgement of the governor's current standing among voters. However, elections are ultimately decided by the choices of citizens, and political support can change as new issues emerge. With more than a year before the next general elections, political parties and candidates will have time to strengthen their campaigns, present their achievements, and convince voters. The 2027 election cycle is expected to be highly competitive, with economic conditions, governance record, and public expectations playing major roles. What do you think about Orji Kalu's statement that Alex Otti can win another term in Abia State? Does this show Otti's growing popularity, or is the election still early to predict? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to First Next News Nigeria for more political updates and analysis from across Nigeria. I'm Chimejim Okoro, and thanks for watching.